Hi friends, welcome back to Sabre training. My name is Zia. Today we are going to learn lesson 2 in Sabre Basics for beginners. Okay, let's start. Look at the window here. I have written some commands over the window here, and there are two sessions. One is encode and decode. This is our topic today in lesson 2. So we will discuss one by one. Now we are going to encode the city code first. This is the command. We are going to enter this command here to decode Dubai William slash hyphen Charlie Charlie, then name of the city, so this is the response from Sabre while we are encoding the city name of Dubai. Okay, now we are going to learn how to decode the city code. Okay, there is the response from Sabre while you are decoding the city 3-letter city code. Okay, now we'll go to encode airport code William slash hyphen Alpha Peter. This is the command. Now after that we have to enter the airport name. I'm going to enter Heathrow here. This is the information are shown on the screen. Now we'll look at how to decode it. This is the command to decode. Okay, now next one is airline code. So William slash hyphen Alpha Lima, then airline name. Okay, here is a response. Now we are going to decode and 2-letter code of airline. This is how we decode the airline 2-letter code. Now next one is how to encode aircraft or equipment. William slash Eco Quebec hyphen Airbus. This is the response from the Sabre. Now we are going to decode an aircraft code. This is the command 747. So this is some response while you are decoding an equipment number, equipment code. So next one is country code. So this is the command hotel Charlie 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 hyphen whatever the country code you can return, you can write after the slash. So now we are going to decode it. So while you are decoding and encoding, the same entry you can use for country. So command is same to decode or encode on country. So hope you understand this lesson. So these are the commands we have discussed in the lesson 2. So hope you guys understand this lesson, and if you have any comments or question, you can go ahead and comment it in the below column. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching.